How to add clickable link in Instagram Reels. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see if we can add a clickable link in Instagram Reels or not. So to find out that, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to open up Instagram. Here, unfortunately, adding a clickable link in Instagram Reels is not a direct feature, but there are other ways to guide your audience to your URL or your link. For that, you can add a link in your bio, and through your Reels or your story, you can guide your audience to get to the link in your bio. For that, you have to create a reel. Now, once you have your reel ready, tap on the sticker icon. Here, you can use the sticker that says link in bio. Search for link or type in link in bio sticker. Scroll down a bit and you can choose anyone from here that says link in bio. Once you have it, you can paste it anywhere in your reel. After you're done with that, you can simply post it in your Instagram, through which your audience will know that you have a clickable link in your bio. But before that, you must have the link ready in your bio. Now, to add link in bio, what you have to do is get back to your profile. From here, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner, tap on edit profile. There you will have an option to add bio. Under that, there is a add link option. Tap on add link, and from here you can add a link that you want your audience to get to when you post a reel with a sticker that is link in bio. So this is the only way, or this is the workaround way to add a link in your Instagram Reels to get or to guide your audience. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.